So now we're gonna check the device configuration. Is it like fake or is it like real? So first, hello guys, welcome to the channel of Woodman on YouTube. So today हमने Baleno में लगाया है X9. So we're gonna be checking about all the features and the functions, that how the stereo works and what are the configuration. Is it fake? Is it good? And so let's get started. So first thing, we have this home screen which is looking fantastically nice to me. It has a lot of options. If we want to play the radio, we can just go to the radio and here you can change the system, and you can see the sound. You know, the sound is like pretty much nice, so it won't make your journey uninteresting. It's gonna make it very interesting. So the next we have is navigation. Let's check about the voice command and navigation, how it is gonna be looking. Let's see. Take me to Hoskas. You can see the speed of the map. It's like completely nice, and you see
southeast
the
toward
navigation
Mandalia
has been
Road,
started
then
in
turn right onto Mandalia Road.
just within 3 seconds. I think it's a fantastic feature. It's completely lag free. You can drag and zoom in how much you want. I mean, I think it's perfectly nice, and it's like lag free. Basically, there's no lag. Most of the stereos have the lagging problem in their stereos. So in Woodman we don't have that. Let's check out the next feature, which is like phone. I mean, internet. You can browse whatever you want. So I'm gonna type hi Woodman. So you see how the browsing speed and everything is. Hi Woodman. Okay, so here is the website. Here is our website. You can go here and check out all the stereos and accessories related to your car. I mean, there are like bunch of things if you go and explore the website. Okay, so for this more thing, we will just be right here, and then we go back. Okay, and the next feature we have is like phone. You can connect your phone through Bluetooth, and you see you can make calls right from right here. We have apps. Let's go and check out some apps. Firstly, okay, so now we're gonna check the device configuration. Is it like fake or is it like real? So first we go to we're gonna check out the Android version. We go to system, we go to about device. You can see it says Android version 10. So we have downloaded an additional app that is fake device test from Play Store. So you can simply click and you can see it says if it's like blue, everything is clean. If it's like red, it's not clean. Okay, so first, like, resolution is like 1280 by 720, perfectly fine. OS reported by Android version 10. OS version displayed by the device is 10. So we have passed this test. And then we have the memory. Let's check the RAM. So we have 4 GB RAM. So when you put the 4 GB RAM, you're not gonna always 4 exactly GB. It's gonna be like 3.9 something GB. That's how the Android system works. So you can see we have passed this test. You can also check if you have other stereo to see if the configuration are same as the company told you or not. Okay, the next feature we will be talking about is the CarPlay. So we have this CarLink. You can directly connect your Android phone or your iPhone. So as you can see, we have connected the CarPlay from the iPhone. So you can simply go and enjoy your ride with CarPlay. This is like pretty interesting feature right here. And then finally we're gonna check out the quality of YouTube, how the quality of YouTube is gonna be. Let's see, we're gonna play some song on YouTube, so it will give us an idea of the quality, how the quality is gonna be in the YouTube. Okay, so let's increase the quality from this to okay, is a quality of 1080 pixels. Yeah, okay. So you can see the quality, you can zoom in, and it's like pretty nice. You can just enjoy your song in full HD in your car while you are driving. Okay, so next feature we're gonna be talking about is the split screen. So yes guys, we have the split screen feature. So we're just gonna go to this tab right here for split screen, click on this window, and we have the split screen. One side you can play the map and other side you can play the Play Store, or if you want to play maps, let's see, maps. Okay, so while you're driving you can watch your videos and drive at the same time. I think this feature is like pretty much interesting. I really like the feature. Okay, so if we again come on to the home screen, you can customize the home screen. As if you want to change the logo, you can do any logo from here according to your car. You can choose the theme, so there's like a theme editor. You can choose the theme. You see, if you want to change the theme, you can simply do it right here according to your requirements. So yeah, that's gonna be all for today guys, and thanks for watching the video. Please do like, subscribe our channel. तो हाँ जी, हमारे साथ कस्टमर हैं, तो इनका एक्सपीरियंस जानते हैं कि इनको कैसा लगा। सर, कैसा लगा आपको वुडमैन का स्टीरियो लगा के? मतलब कहाँ से आपको पता चला? और
मैंने बस नेट पे वीडियो देखी थी इसकी, इससे पहले मैंने सोनी का लगा रखा था।
ओके,
बस उसमें बाहर का ऑप्शन थे, इसमें ये मैंने इसके रिव्यू देखे यूट्यूब पे।
हाँ जी,
तो सारे पॉजिटिव में थे और मेरे को भी खुद भी बहुत अच्छा लगा, तो मैंने कॉल किया कस्टमर केयर के पास, आपके सेल्समैन के पास।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
तो अब इसका रिस्पॉन्स बहुत अच्छा है और लगने के बाद बेटर फील हो रहा है।
ओके, तो आप वैसे आए कहाँ से हैं सर?
हरियाणा, भिवानी।
अच्छा, तो आप भिवानी से आए, तो अब आप एंजॉय करते हुए जाएंगे इसमें, गाने वाने सब कुछ बढ़िया,
सब कुछ। हाँ, इसमें ऑफलाइन नेविगेशन का भी फीचर है एक अलग से।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
और एप्पल CarPlay वायरलेस है इसमें।
अच्छा,
हाँ, ये फीचर भी बहुत अच्छा है। वायर से परेशान हो रहा था मैं वैसे उससे।
हाँ, थोड़ा वायर का
हाँ,
तो दिक्कत है भाई।
हाँ।
ठीक है सर, ठीक है। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच। आप अपना जो भी फीडबैक हो और जैसा भी हो, आप हमारी टीम को दे सकते हैं, और आप यूट्यूब पे कमेंट भी कर सकते हैं।
ओके,
थैंक यू।